So Samsung's One UI 7's beta hinted at Samsung's foldable phone plans for 2025. Now, this is pretty, for the most part, obvious, but it's just a confirmation, really. We, again, look at a lot of different leaks and rumors on this channel, and for the most part, those leaks and rumors, sometimes are true, sometimes are not true, right? So, sometimes when we get kind of more confirmational things, we can at least take that as, okay, now we know something of what's going on. And of course, this is going to be the Z Flip 7, the Z Fold 7, and a new Z Fold Special Edition successor, which obviously would be the Z Fold 7 Special Edition 2. I guess it would just be the Z Fold 7 Special Edition. I don't think they would have added 2 there. Unless they, again, kind of branch this off and it's no longer like the Z Fold 6S. It's now just going to be the Z Fold period Special Edition. And then the 1, 2, 3, all the way up to however many they release, right? Now, there isn't a mark on this of a Z Flip 7 Fan Edition, which is something that we've talked about many times on this channel. Many leaks and rumors have put it out there that there will be a fan edition of the Z Flip series, not the Z Fold series. That's a lot of people keep thinking that there's gonna be a Z Fold 7 fan edition. No, Samsung has already came out many times and said they're not releasing any type of fan edition of the Z Fold lineup. They're never going to do that. No matter how many years in the future, they're not giving us a Z Fold 7 fan edition. Samsung is keeping that where it is, the $1,800 price tag on that, and it is what it is. We're not going to get a cheaper foldable phone. But again, it's actually possible that we do get a flippable phone that's cheaper. Probably not much cheaper. The fan edition would just be the Galaxy Z Flip 6 with a cheaper unit and a cheaper build for like $200 less. It gives Samsung a really good opportunity to take all the old stock they have, because we already know they have a crap ton of extra stock in the warehouses, take them, dismantle the phones, put them back together, cheaper build, cheaper everything, and move those units out of the warehouses. This is why, again, I'm very confident we will get a fan edition, is because it only makes logical sense from Samsung's point of view. If they have a bunch of Z Flip 6s that they can't sell, you can just use the same components to make the fan editions. And you don't even have to recreate the product or recreate the item. Just bam, 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 ship it out. Costs them nothing because they already have the units, they already have the stock, and they can make a crap ton of money. So that's why, personally speaking, I think there will be a fan edition. But this, again, is what the lineup is leaked out, or I guess confirmed to be at least. If there isn't a fan edition, there isn't a fan edition. It just makes too much logical sense, and there's too many leakers saying there will be one. Again, all hearsay. Until we get it confirmed, it does not matter. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, though. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.